Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Pool Day Simple Scoop, a product that claims to make pool maintenance easier by combining multiple pool chemicals into one weekly scoop. According to the company, it helps save time, save money, prevent pool problems, and works with chlorine, bromine, saltwater, UV, and ozone systems. But is it actually legit, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's take a closer look. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, honestly, the product does sound very appealing, especially for new pool owners. The idea of throwing one scoop into your pool each week instead of dealing with multiple chemicals sounds convenient. And based on user experiences online, some people actually had good results. One user said their cloudy pool became crystal clear after using it, while another said their father struggled with algae all summer until trying Simple Scoop. But not everyone agrees. Several experienced pool owners online called the product snake oil, basically saying the marketing is exaggerated. Some users claimed you don't need to add that many chemicals weekly if your pool chemistry is already balanced properly. Others pointed out that the product mainly contains copper algae, clarifier, and non-chlorine shock, which are real ingredients, but not some miracle formula. One of the biggest concerns is the copper content. Some pool owners warned that long-term copper use may stain pool surfaces green or even discolor hair and liners. Another complaint is the cost. A few users felt the product is overpriced compared to simply using regular chlorine, muriatic acid, and basic pool maintenance methods. Another important thing is that you still need chlorine. Even users who like the product admitted they still add chlorine tablets to their pool. So despite the marketing, this does not completely replace proper pool care. So is Pool Day Simple Scoop legit or a scam? Based on the information available, it appears to be a real product with real customers and mixed reviews. It may help some people maintain cleaner water with less effort, but the marketing probably makes it sound more magical than it really is. In my opinion, this looks more like an expensive convenience product rather than a total scam. Just remember that regular pool testing and proper maintenance are still important no matter what product you use. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.